Hey friends, in this video, I will show you how to set up Portronics Beem 550 projector. Let's get started. Inside the box, you will find the Beem 550 projector, HDMI to HDMI cable, a remote control, a user manual, and a cleaning kit. Let's start with a quick overview of Beem 550 projector. On the top, you will find a lid that doubles as a lens cover and also works as a handle to lift the projector easily. Moving to the back, you will see a power port, USB-A port, aux port, HDMI port. On one side, there is a large air vent for heat dissipation. The projector is tilt adjustable and height adjustable, and it even includes a built-in stand for convenient placement. At the bottom, you will find a 5-watt speaker and 2 sensors located under the lens. These handle auto keystone correction and auto focus for a sharp, perfectly aligned image every time. Now, let's set up the projector. Start by inserting the power cord and pressing the power button at the back. Once it is turned on, the projector will automatically adjust its keystone and focus for a few seconds, ensuring a clear, perfectly aligned display. And that's it. Your projector is now ready to use. To connect your Beem 550 projector to Wi-Fi, press the up arrow key and go to Settings. Next, select the network, then turn Wi-Fi on. Now, you will see a list of available networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi, enter your password and confirm. Your projector is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to stream. To connect your Beem 550 projector to a Bluetooth device, press the up arrow key on a remote and go to Settings. Inside the menu, select Bluetooth. You will now see a list of available devices ready to pair. Simply choose the one you want to connect with and confirm. That's it. Your projector is now connected via Bluetooth and ready to stream audio wirelessly. To screen mirror your Apple devices, open the eShare app on Beem 550 projector and use arrow keys on your remote to go to the AirPlay option. Make sure AirPlay is turned on. Now, on your iPhone or iPad, open screen mirroring from the control center. You will see your projector listed as Beem 550. Just tap to connect. That's it. Your Apple device is now mirrored to your projector. You can easily play movies, videos, or even presentations directly from your mobile phone. To screen mirror your Android device, follow the same steps as before. Open the eShare app on your Beem 550 projector and toggle to the Miracast option. Make sure it is turned on. Now, on your Android phone, open the Smart View or Cast Screen option from the Quick Setting panel. You will see your projector listed as Beem 550. Tap on it and select Pair Now. And that's it. Your Android device is now connected and you can easily stream videos, games, or presentations wirelessly. To manually adjust the keystone or digitally zoom to the screen, press the up arrow key on your remote and go to Settings. Inside Settings, press the Projection option. Here you will find multiple modes depending on your projector placement. To configure settings like Auto Focus, Auto Keystone, Auto Focus at Power On, Auto Trapezoid on Power On, you can go to Trapezoid Setting option in Setting menu. If you want to manually keystone, go to the Manual Keystone option and use the arrow keys on your remote to adjust the frame until it looks perfectly aligned. To digitally zoom, select the Screen Zoom option and again use the arrow keys to increase or decrease the screen size as per your preference. And that's it. Your Portronics Beem 550 projector is finally tuned for perfect viewing experience. To change Beem 550 desktop view to Google TV mode, simply click on the desktop app and wait for a few seconds. Your entire interface will switch to the Google TV layout, where you can browse and stream movies, access multiple apps, and even install new apps of your choice directly from the interface. If you ever want to go back to the default desktop view, just click on the desktop app again, and that's it. Switching between views is quick and effortless. Let's take a look at how to use the remote control of the projector. On the remote, you will find volume minus and volume plus button to adjust the sound, and you also get focus minus and focus plus button that lets you manually adjust the focus so you always get a crystal clear sharp projection, and 4 arrow keys that help you navigate through the menus and settings easily. When you press the power button, you will see 4 options on the screen: reboot, screen off, power off, and timer option, where you can set projector to automatically turn off after a specific duration. That's it. Your Portronics Beem 550 projector is now fully set up and ready to use.